After completing your skill assessment, you will have online access to your results with several resources to help you explore ways of learning and developing important life skills. Access your skill results online anytime for up to a year after completing your assessment. Just log in using the user ID and password you provided when you created your skill account. Once you're in the user portal, click on the Select button in the Completed Skills section, then click on the skill ID you want to view. Finally, click on the button to view your skill report. Available learning resources include your skill profile, basic report, and additional interpretive detail. The profile is a horizontal bar graph that provides a picture of how you see yourself currently thinking, feeling, and behaving on each of the 11 skills and 3 problem areas assessed by skill. Referring to the skills, longer horizontal bars indicate relative strength. The graph is color banded to help identify skill levels in the Develop red range, Strengthen orange range, and Enhance yellow range. Near the bottom of the profile, the color bands are reversed for the 3 problem areas. For the problem areas, short score bars are indicative of strength. The profile is explained thoroughly in the Skill Basic Report. Immediately following your profile, the Basic Report includes several pages of helpful information for interpreting and learning from your skill experience. In addition to skill definitions, skills are discussed in terms of their interaction with other skills, as well as explained in terms of their relevance to career and life effectiveness. Finally, each of the skill discussions in the Basic Report end with a clickable link that will open a PDF file with additional interpretive information, including references. Each interpretive section includes information about what skill is and what skill is not, as well as more in-depth and helpful information for improving the skill. Open, save, and print the PDF files for the skills that are most interesting and relevant to you. We sincerely hope that you enjoy your positive assessment of skills for career and life effectiveness, as well as your profile, reports, and learning experience.